Table 1.1 Difference between human resource management and HRD. Human resource management. Number one, human resource management function is a routine, maintenance oriented administrative functions. HRD. Number one, HRD is a continuous developed function. The major attention of HRD is on improving the human processes. So HRM function is seen as an independent function with independent subfunctions. HRD is viewed as the subsystem of a larger system. This means that the desire of HRD cannot be considered in isolation. HRM function is regarded as merely a reactive function responding to the demands of the organization as and when they arise. HRD is regarded as a proactive function. The functions of HRD is not merely to cope with the needs of organization but to anticipate them, to act on them in advance in a continuous and planned way. HRD function is support to be exclusive responsibility of the personnel department. HRD aims to develop at developing the capabilities of all line managers to carry out various personnel functions themselves. HRM function takes a very narrow view of its scope and aims at developing and administering people. HRD takes a much wider view of its scope and aims at developing the total organization. HRM functions consider salary, economic rewards, job simplification, and job specialization as important motivators. HRD emphasizes the importance of higher needs in motivating individuals. Is considered informal organization, autonomous work groups, job enrichment, job challenger, and creativity as the main motivating forces. Number 7, HRM functions consider improved satisfaction and morale as a cause of improved performance. HRD consider improved performance as the cause and improved satisfaction and morale as its result. Need of HRD. People need competences, knowledge, attitude, values, and skills to perform tasks. A higher degree and quality of performance of tasks requires a higher level or degree of skills. Without continuous development of competences in people, an organization is not likely to achieve its goals. Competent and motivated employees are essential for organizational survival, growth, and excellence. Over a period of time, an organization may achieve a saturation point in terms of its growth. Even to maintain such a saturation level of growth, and for organizations to operate in environments that keep changing, employee competencies need to be sharpened or developed. Any organization that is interested in improving its services and its effectiveness in other ways, for example, cost reduction, reducing delays, increase customer satisfaction, improve quality and promise of services and market image, needs to develop its employees' competencies to perform the tasks required to bring about such improvements. Third, HRD is required in each organization that is interested in stabilizing itself, achieving growth, diversifying, renewing itself to become more effective, improving its systems and services, changing and become more dynamic, playing leadership roles. Design HRD systems. Designing HRD interventions involves a process which includes four-step sequence: need assignment, need assessment phase, design phase, implementation phase, evaluation phase. The four-phase process approach is explained in Figure 1.1. Needs assessment phase. HRD interventions are used to address some need or gap within the organization. A need can either be a current deficiency or a new challenge that demands a change in the way the organization operates. Identifying needs involve examining the organization, its environment, job tasks, and employee performance. Once the assessment phase has been completed, it is important to translate the issues identified in that phase into clear objectives for HRD program. Design phase. In this phase, HRD intervention, some type of training and development is carried out. Other activities to be carried out are the objectives a program should be outlined. The appropriate trainers should be acquired along with the appropriate material to be used for the trainees. Determine how the trainer will deliver the program. Select the most appropriate method to conduct the program. Schedule the program. The design phase also involves selecting and developing the content of program. The design phase included choosing the setting, classroom, on the job, online, or so on. The technique to be used, lecture, role play, simulation, and so on. Materials to be used for delivery of the program: PowerPoint, video, films, workbook, job aids, and so on. Design implementation, evaluation. Asset needs, priority needs. Define objectives. Select evaluation critical. Determine evaluation design. Conduct evaluation of program and intervention. Develop lesson plan. Develop acquire materials, select trainer, select method and technique. Schedule the program, intervention. Deliver the HRD program or intervention. Conduct evaluation of program or intervention. Interpret result. Priority need. Okay. The fourth phase. The fourth phase, HRD process model. Source: D. Simon, Radley, L. John M. Wagner, and Davis M. Harris, 2003, Human Resource Development, Singapore, Thomson Asia PVT Ltd. Number 3, implementation phase. The goals of assets. The goal of the assessment and design phases is to implement effective HRD programs and interventions. The needs assessment may also reveal that training is not the ideal solution for the issues or problems facing the organization. It may also be the case that a different type of HRD intervention is called